Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. Welcome to this next week 9's check-in. So the interesting thing about week 9 as I open the course schedule is our legal research project is due by November 6th at midnight. The module opens on Monday, so it's due November 6th at midnight. So a lot of you have finished this already, and that's a great thing because some of you have reached out to me and said, hey, here's my rough draft. What can I fix on the APA side? And I've walked through that and given you feedback. You're still able to do that. So if you're drafting out your APA research paper with, of course, your video that's attached to it, more than willing to look at it for you. You got to send it to me via email, but make sure you do that before Saturday. I'm not going to look at them on Saturday because that's going to be a little last minute, and you're not going to really have time to make the changes within a 24-hour period. So make sure you get it to me by 11/5. But as we scroll down to the legal research project, week 9, and click on that link, you're going to see some information here. This is how you upload your video and paper. So you need to attach both your video and paper to the one submission and do that right there. Further, there's a little bit of tips and tricks here for APA questions that if you have, you can put them in the chat. I'm happy to answer, or your teammates can reply to. This is chapter 7. Look at it if you can. There's not going to be any test questions on it, but I included it just in case you want to peer at it. But the biggest thing to remember is your legal research paper, which is due on 11/6, and that's how you submit both the video and paper by clicking this link right here. Make sure you follow the rules too. So, from the perspective of a 3 to 5 minute presentation, make sure it's 3 minutes at least, and then also make sure your paper is at least 2 to 5 references and 3 pages long. So make sure that's done in your work. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. I'm looking forward to taking a look at your paper, grading it, and coming out of this class this next week with some awesome grades. Hope you're doing well. Thanks so much.